What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing a dash platform for your 25 and newer D41 Nissan Frontier. Let's show you how it goes in. So the first step, we're actually going to just remove the dash tray from your dashboard using a panel removal tool. Now we've already installed one, so this one's already drilled, but I'm going to still show you how to do everything along the way. So you're just going to work your trim puller tool around and it should just pop out. Several of these just pressure clips that are in here. Then we're going to show you how this goes in. All right, so once you got them all lined up, you're going to take these hexes, you're going to drop one down, you're going to take a washer and these flange nuts. There's going to be 4 of them. Don't need to be super crazy tight, same thing. Drop it down, put a washer to support it, flange nut. So we're going to take our 5mm Allen and a 10mm socket, and we're just going to snug them down. They don't need to be super tight. You want to make sure you're not going to crack this plastic, just enough to be secured. So now your support bracket is in place onto your factory tray. All right, so now we're back in the truck. We're just going to drop the tray back down in place so it clicks back in. Okay, so now you have your 4 mounting points for your actual dash platform itself. You're going to drop straight down on there. And you have these 4 2.5mm Allens. Once you get them started, send tight. And there you go. So, that concludes the install of our 2025 and newer D41 dash platform install from Z1 Off-Road. If you need to accessorize your truck's dashboard, shop now at z1offroad.com today.